Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error, that is the code execution cannot proceed because VC runtime 140_1.dll was not found. To fix it, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, scroll down here, you can see Visual Studio files. So you have to install this x86 and x64 versions. So click on x86 file and then run this exe file. Now if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install, click on yes to allow. Download this x64 file as well. Again run this exe file. So if you see the repair option, again click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install and let the installation complete. Once the installation is complete, now restart your computer. Restart is a must after this, and after the system restart you can check. You should not receive this error anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.